You know what, I mean, this position
No,
of
I want to.
acceptability is
Why don't you be
always-
clear on your ideological stand on homosexuality? Father Cedric, be very clear
See, first of
on
all,
your ideological stand on homosexuality.
First of all, I have been called
Yeah, go
here
on.
as if by Arnab that we have very strong opinions about this.
Yes.
The very fact that you are putting us against each other, therefore I am saying that we accept you. I am not against you. Is that clear to you?
But
In
I've
good English,
accepted you anyway.
that
I
I
don't
am not
understand.
against
But
you.
you
I
have a
accept
stand.
you. No. You were
God.
you were
Look.
aspirated
No.
by my presence. So I want to say very clearly that I am not aspirated by your presence. I accept you as a good human being. Yes, and I
Arnab,
accept you with respect. With respect. Is that clear also? Secondly, let me also make it clear
No,
that
it's
when
not.
on the 2nd of July 2009, when the judgment came out and it was read down, we did not object to that reading down of Article 370. That's very clear. We are not in favor of criminalization of homosexual activity. We are against it, but we are not against decriminalization of it. This should not be considered.
No, but there's
as
a contradiction there. I
act.
don't know.
That has
You
been
know,
made very clear.
That's a contradiction.
What do you mean contradiction? How do you mean?
Yeah,
Ashok Rao will
Arnab-
explain to you.
Arnab, let
How
me
do you mean?
repeat what he
How do you
said.
mean?
Let me
How do
repeat
you-
what he said. He said, no. He's changing his stance. What he said is that we accept you, but you know, we are against the crime. We are not against the sinner, we are against the sin. It's like saying we are not against women, but we are against feminism. You know, that sort of thing. Now, it's playing around with words here. He's compassionate, he accepts us. All the religious people have the greatest amount of compassion for us, but they don't think what we are doing is right. They don't think that as gay men we have a right to be what we are. They want to pray for us, and this happens
Rahul.
with all of them. I mean, I don't understand what was their problem in going
can
to
I
the
come in?
Supreme Court.
Okay, Father, one response from Father Dominic.
Can I come in?
Ashok,
Can I come in?
One response
See,
from Father
we are-
Dominic, and then
we
I'll
are
come to you,
saying-
Rahul Ishwar. Because what you're saying, Rahul Ishwar, is contrary to the right of every citizen under Article 21 to have his personal liberty intact. You want to take away the personal liberty of every homosexual to have the sexual relations that he wants, Rahul Ishwar,
Arnab-
and that's why you'll have to answer that. But after
Arnab-
Father Dominic responds to Ashok Rao Kavi. Yes, Father.
Definitely.
Yes, or not. The first thing we are saying is that the basic homosexual orientation, we are not considering that as wrong orientation. When it becomes wrong is that when they engage in homosexual activity. And let me also explain that as far as the Catholic Church is concerned, even
I think this
heterosexual
sounds like a joke,
sexual
you know.
activities
It's like we
outside
accept
of
you
marriage
as long
is
as you
wrong.
Don't have an identity.
Heterosexual activity outside of marriage is wrong for us. There is a complete no for
So
homosexual or heterosexual activity
So if-
outside of marriage. Outside
it
of
means
marriage.
If two men are married, it's okay. If it's two men are married or two women are married to each other, then it's within marriage. So you're okay with that?
Yeah,
Are you?
that is as far as your world is concerned. I am representing the Catholic Church where marriage among two men is not accepted and is not allowed and is not accepted.
No, but
There you
we
are.
are talking.
So
In your world it is
But laws are not based. No, 1 second. Father, let me be direct with you. Father, don't mind. But let me tell you, laws are not
Sure,
based upon
sure,
religious
sure.
texts.
Yes.
Laws are not based upon religious texts
them
in our
not be,
country.
but
We
in
are a
India it-
secular country. Sorry, but religious texts are not supposed to have any bearing on our decision making. A. By the way, secondly, religious texts also
not
preach.
in-
Religious
or not,
texts
or not
also.
in your country. Or not in your country and my country. In our country, there
Yes.
is no law for same-sex marriage. In your
So-
country and my country.
No, no,
In
but
our
that's what I'm
country,
telling you.
We have no
No,
law
1
for
second.
same-sex marriage.
1 second.
No, no, no.
We are
Forget
talking about a
forget
change in the
religion.
laws.
Forget about religion.
We are talking
Forget
about a
re-
change
forget
that is
about
going to come in the
religion. No, there
laws.
is
No, Ishwar,
Let us-
until for your, let me
let us
explain
wait
to
and
you.
see.
Let me explain to you that once section 377 is read down,
If I can tell
and
a word regarding
homosexuals are not
Ashokji.
criminal.
Ashokji, one thing.
Yeah. Go on. Go on.
See, nobody is saying homosexuals
Yes,
are criminals.
go on,
It's a
Ishwar.
very nuanced debate. I agree with Ashok ji in one point, definitely. There are many civilizations in the world who were homophobic. Indian civilization was an exception. We celebrated diversity. But having said that, please understand, in the so-called majority of heterosexual world, there is inhibition regarding this. There is very respectful reservation regarding the whole thing. You can either run a shrill campaign, you can either run a high-octane campaign branding all those who have reservations as homophobic or anti-progressive, or there can be a meaningful discussions. I recently had, especially today, I had discussions with various sectors of Hindu and Christian, even Muslim priests today. Many people are having inhibitions. That doesn't mean you have to simply buy all
You
the
have your
religious people or
inhibition.
cultural people's words.
You have your
But having
inhibition.
said that, let
So
there
how
be
do
a
I? How you
meaningful
continue
discussion
having your
rather than
inhibition?
having a
No,
high
one
shrill
second.
campaign.
You have your inhibition. Let people have their liberty.
Raghu. I have an inhibition about heterosexual marriage, but I go for them. I feel very strange where the bride and bridegroom are sitting on a stage as if it's a Zoom.
See, this is the precise
I'm
point.
sorry,
This is the
but to
precise
me it's a
point where
very
there is
strange thing.
confrontation.
But
This is a precise point.
no. Yeah, what is it? What is it?
See,
What
this is
I'm trying to tell you
unfortunate.
is,
See,
if you
even the
feel-
father and myself, we said we have all the respect for their rights, for their beliefs, but it is unnecessarily attacking the conventional, traditional, majority, thousands of years held view. See,
What
this
is
a new thing
traditional?
Emerging. That's the reason why
What is traditional?
law was not changed for centuries.
What is traditional? No, Rahul Ishwar. Rahul Ishwar. 1 minute. 1 minute. Rahul Ishwar.
See, what is
Rahul,
cultures?
I wanna-
Rahul, 1 minute. Rahul, can I address you, Rahul?
Let me interfere.
No.
Let me come in.
Okay, you come in after that,
This,
I'll-
Arnab. 1 minute.
Please.
Yeah, go.
Ruth.
Please.
No.
Please.
Ruth Vanita has a book. Has written a book called Same-Sex Rights, and she has given a very detailed historical analysis of same-sex marriages in India over 3,000 years. Now, the point is, when you say the majority, we never said we are challenging the majority. We just want to live our own lives without discrimination, without rubbing you the wrong way, without being very shrill.
Please do.
All I'm asking for is a right to be myself. I am not fighting you. I'm not trying to contradict you. I am not trying to all I'm laying on the table is all the scientific stuff. If you read Ruth Vanita, please read that book.
No,
She's
the
a Hindu
argument tonight is...
from Kerala, who has...
The argument...
Yeah.
Ashok.
What is the argument?
Ashok wants argument is being given forward. Rahul, 1 minute. Rahul argues about tradition. Right? He argues about what? Rahul, 1 minute, please. Rahul says tradition, order of nature. I am asking Rahul today, Rahul, surrogacy, was it there 20 years back?
Yeah.
1 minute, let me complete. 20 years back, you, Father Dominic Emmanuel, everybody would say this is also against order of nature. In vitro fertilization, which has given hope
is
to
still.
so many.
It
No,
is
1
still.
minute.
It is still.
In vitro fertilization
still.
given hope
For
to
us
so
it's
many
still.
childless
No,
couples,
you
brought
may-
happiness into
whatever
their
you may say
lives.
about 20 years.
Is that against the order of nature? Different methods of contraception
Arnab-
which have been introduced as part of population control schemes, are they against the order of nature? Stem cell research, saving thousands of millions of lives in the world. Is that against the order of nature? Genetic modification of seeds, cloning. Is this against the order of
I'll
nature?
give a clear answer for this.
Answer that.
In the same way,
Things are
given
changing
the, yeah,
now.
I'm giving an exact answer to it. In the same way, when somebody raises the freedom argument, I'm giving you a perfect counter, which was raised in the Supreme Court and High Court subsequent.
This was also raised in the Supreme Court.
If we argue for a liberty of a person and individual freedom, if somebody says zoophilia or having physical relations with animal is my freedom,
Oh, come
does
on.
that mean a person can give advertisement on paper
Oh, come on.
regarding zoophilia? I'm
Oh,
not
come on.
equating
You,
zoophilia with
in
homosexuality.
order to
But having
not
said that,
avoid...
the liberty argument
The
alone
response
cannot
will come
hold the
from
water.
Anil.
The liberty
By the way,
argument
Anil is
alone
keeping a very
is
quiet...
not enough to
Anil
justify
is being very
homosexuality.
quiet sitting next to you. He'll respond to you. Anil, respond to him. I see a very... you respond to him directly. He's sitting right to your right. Yeah.
You know, for me, the entire thing, like when we are when you are in a democratic country and here where the rights of the minorities of any kind is supposed to be preserved and equal, this whole justification that because a majority or a huge section of society has reservation, that means that minorities will be deprived of certain rights, is a joke. So the starting point of this thing that if a majority has a problem with certain things, that has to be imposed on the minority community, it is starting from a point that is absolutely not acceptable.
Well, Ashok Rao Kavi, to
Arnab,
that
may I come in for a
provocative
minute?
comment. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. All I want to say is that even if there's one homosexual in the whole of India, the Constitution of India protects him, protects his rights as long as he does not transgress on your rights. Both Rahul,
So does
I
the
did
church.
not
The
expect
church
you.
also
Father
protects
Emmanuel.
The church also protects you. No, I just want to say that the church also protects you, and church has all the compassion.
Don't bring
Well,
the
you're
church
talking
in.
about
I am-
protection.
Don't bring the
No,
church
no,
in, he says.
No. Why? You are
Don't bring the
you are
church in.
bringing
I
about
don't want to hear the
protection.
church.
Now you are not.
But
now
Rahul.
No,
No, you are
that's
talking
Father
about
Dominic Emmanuel.
protection
I did
by the
not
Constitution.
expect-
I'm asking you. I'm asking you.
Arnab,
I'm
let
asking
me
you,
finish
Kavi. Is that not
Oh, God.
patronizing? Is the
Yes.
is the Constitution not patronizing? Is the Constitution not patronizing? You were challenging me a while ago when I said we accept you
How
that
is
I am
the-
patronizing.
how is
Now
the-
you're talking
how
about
is the
Constitution protecting you.
How is
So
the
how
con-
is that not patronizing?
How is the Constitution? How is
Okay.
the Constitution patronizing? The Constitution, the preamble says.
On
because
that
you are
point-
saying
Saying protecting you, protecting
How
you.
do you say the
I
Constitution?
asked
You are
tonight.
talking
No, we
about
are on. We are
protecting you. I
on.
am-
We ask a question here today, gentlemen. I'm taking a 2-minute break with your permission, and I'm extending this debate actually on the other side. I am asking 1 minute. I'm extending the debate. Ashok, you will have your right to respond. I ask a question which will be addressed on the other side. Is Section 377 not in complete incongruity with Article 21 of the Constitution, which guarantees protection of life and personal liberty? I'm back on the other side. The debate between our panelists continues on this.